Welcome back to the channel. In today's breakdown, we're diving into the top 10 online side hustles to start with zero experience. These are beginner-friendly, scalable, and most importantly, accessible. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, between jobs, or just trying to supplement your income, this list is packed with ideas you can start right now, even if you've never done anything like this before. 10. Online surveys and micro-tasks. Let's start with the easiest of them all. Taking online surveys and completing small digital tasks won't make you rich, but it's a zero-barrier entry into the online income world. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you for simple tasks, clicking ads, watching videos, or giving feedback. This is a great way to dip your toes into earning online, build confidence, and transition into more profitable ventures. Bonus tip: stack survey platforms or use survey aggregator tools to maximize earnings across multiple sites. 9. Product testing and feedback. Big brands pay good money to get user feedback. As a beginner, you can sign up for platforms like User Testing, Respondent, or Try My UI to test websites, apps, and products, and give your honest opinion. You don't need any tech skills, just a smartphone, a laptop, and the ability to follow instructions. You're essentially getting paid to be curious and speak your thoughts out loud. Some testers earn $10.60 per test, which typically takes under 30 minutes. 8. Selling on print-on-demand platforms. Ever wanted to start a clothing or merch business without investing in inventory? Welcome to print-on-demand. With sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Zazzle, you can upload simple designs that get printed on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and more. You don't need to be a designer either. Use free tools like Canva or AI art generators, or buy low-cost design bundles. Once uploaded, these platforms handle everything: printing, shipping, and customer service. It's low effort, no risk, and once you upload a product, it can continue selling passively. 7. Freelance gigs on Fiverr and Upwork. No experience? No problem. You'd be surprised how many in-demand freelance services you can offer as a total beginner. Think about things like data entry, virtual assistant tasks, proofreading, social media, comment moderation, transcription. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork let you start small, build your profile, and raise your rates over time. Start with what you already know, even if it's just organizing spreadsheets or managing emails, and learn as you go. Freelancing is one of the most flexible and growth-friendly side hustles online today. 6. Becoming a virtual assistant, VA. If you're organized, can manage a calendar, or know how to navigate the internet, you can become a virtual assistant. VAs help entrepreneurs and small businesses with everyday tasks like email management, scheduling, travel booking, and social media posting. Websites like Belay, Zirtual, or Fancy Hands are always hiring beginner VAs. You can also pitch your services directly to busy creators or coaches on Instagram and LinkedIn. With time, you can specialize and charge higher rates. Some experienced VAs make $30, $60 an hour. 5. Creating a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need to be a YouTuber with a ring light and fancy camera. You can start a faceless channel using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and trending scripts. Think top 10 videos, motivation content, tech explainers, finance hacks, anything that's searchable and engaging. Use tools like Pexels, Storyblocks, or Pixabay for free footage, and pair it with AI voice tools like 11 Labs or Murph AI. Script your video, edit with CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, and upload consistently. Once monetized, you earn from ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships without ever showing your face. 4. Selling digital downloads on Etsy. Etsy isn't just for handmade crafts. It's a goldmine for digital products. You can sell planners, checklists, resumes, journaling templates, digital art, even budget spreadsheets. The best part? You create the product once, and it sells over and over again. Use Canva or Google Sheets to design your items, list them on Etsy, and watch them generate passive income with the help of good SEO titles and tags. People are earning $500 to $10,000 a month doing this, and many started with zero design or sales experience. 3. Affiliate marketing via blog or social media. Affiliate marketing means you promote products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. You don't need a huge audience, just a niche and good content. Start a blog with Medium, a TikTok account, or an Instagram page focused on a topic you enjoy: fitness, tech, budgeting, cooking, and share your favorite tools. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Impact, or Digistore24. As your content grows, so does your passive income. Some affiliate marketers make full-time income with just a few great product reviews. 2. Offering AI-powered services. AI is exploding, and you can get in on the action even without coding. Start offering AI content generation, resume building, social media caption writing, or basic image editing using free AI tools. Promote your services on Fiverr or Twitter. Example: you can use ChatGPT to write blog intros or Midjourney to design unique art. Package it as a service and deliver fast. You'd be amazed how many businesses are willing to pay for quick, AI-powered tasks, especially if you make it sound professional. 1. Flipping free stuff online. At the top of our list is one of the most underrated and beginner-friendly side hustles: digital flipping. Here's how it works. Find free or low-cost digital products, licenses, or tools and resell them with added value. You can grab free ebooks with resell rights, edit them, and sell on Payhip or Gumroad, or buy expired domain names and flip them for profit. Some people also flip Canva templates or Notion planners. You can also flip physical items online. Find free furniture on Facebook Marketplace, clean or repaint it, and resell. No experience needed, just some hustle and creativity. And there you have it. The top 10 online side hustles to start with zero experience. Every single one of these can be done from home, with nothing more than your phone or laptop, and a willingness to learn. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on earning online, and drop a comment, building income streams, and taking control of your financial future. Thanks for watching.